Suppose SAT scores are normally distributed with a mean of 1050 and a standard deviation of 100. What percentage of students score between 950 and 1150? The key word here is normally distributed. So that tells you that you have a normal probability distribution, which is a bell-shaped curve. We'll let the random variable x be the SAT scores. The vertical is the probabilities. So the middle, which has the highest probability of occurring, is the mean, which is given to us as 1050. So 1050 is in the middle. Now, what's the percentage of students that score between 950 and 1150? So locate 950 and 1150, and the corresponding percentage is represented by this area. We need to calculate that area, and that'll give us the percentage of students that score between 950 and 1150. We can write this like this. This is the probability that the scores are between 950 and 1150. I think the easiest way to do this would be simply use the calculator. You have to have a calculator with distributions. This one has a distribution button right here. I gotta hit second, and then this button to pull up the distributions. And you want to go to the one that says normal CDF. Depending on your calculator, all calculators are a little bit different. Now you gotta tell it 4 things. You gotta tell it the lower bound, which is 950. You're gonna tell it the upper bound, which is 1150. Then you want to tell it the mean, 1050. And then the last thing you want to tell it is the standard deviation, which is given to you in the problem right here, 100. So those 4 things again, we got the lower bound, we got the upper bound, we have the mean, which is the mu symbol, and we have the standard deviation, the sigma symbol. All right, let's just put this in the calculator. So I got normal CDF, plug in 950, put a comma, 1150, comma, 1050, comma, and then the standard deviation, 100. I'm getting a big long decimal number. Now this is going to give you the probability in decimal form. I'm going to take 4 decimal places. Now this problem wanted a percentage, so I'm going to have to change this to a percent by moving the decimal 2 places to the right. So that's going to be 68.27%. So 68.27% is the percentage of students that are going to score between 950 and 1150.